In front of me is Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint on this phone. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and go to fingerprint unlock. To activate it, you need to provide some backup to the fingerprint. You can choose pattern, PIN code or password. Let me choose pattern. Now just wait a couple of seconds and read the reminder. So as you can see it, remember that your lock screen password need to be provided every time you want to use your device again, and if it's forgotten, your device would be hard reset. So then I chose this pattern, tap on confirm then, and now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is located here at the back cover of your device, so just place your fingerprint here, just tap on it several times, and within a couple of seconds it will be added. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Now you can rename your fingerprint. Tap on confirmation mark, click on done, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this backup pattern that you set, or with your fingerprint only. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.